Hello, welcome back. Today we're gonna continue with our skill tree and we're gonna make able to reset our skills and get the points back. Before we start, if you like my content, I would invite you to subscribe the channel, like video and comment if you got any suggestion for future videos. To start, we're gonna open our skill slot, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna create new function. I'm gonna name it reset skill button. Okay, that'll be first skill. We're gonna get the border, and then we're gonna set context color. Yep. And what you wanna do, you wanna grab original color of your slot, and then you want to set it up. And that's what you're gonna do for now. And then we're gonna open our component, skill tree component. What you wanna do, duplicate it, unlock skill or whatever you call it, and I'm gonna name it reset skill. Okay, and what we wanna do now, we're gonna remove this, move all of that stuff. We're gonna leave it as it is, leave it unlocked. So it's important. So basically that was gonna be the first skill. So wherever you press, yeah, let's say unlock this stuff. I see I need to change that. It's the wrong name. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna reset. I'm sorry, click this one to reset. Yeah, I'm gonna wanna reset it. And what's gonna happen? Once I'm pressing it, I want this skill, or even I do this skill reset, I want it to stay unlocked so I can press it again. Because if we make it as not unlocked, you maybe not gonna be able to unlock it. Let's say if it's maxed out, this one, it's free, you cannot press it anymore to unlock your next skill. That will like be bugged. It's very important to leave the first skill unlocked. So that's a reset skill. We keep it unlocked and we duplicate it, and we're gonna make reset skill child. And what you want to do here, actually in both situations you wanna do same, but be honest, before I duplicate I should do some changes, but we just do with it. We wanna check if it's unlocked, because we wanna only reset skills that are unlocked. So if it is, we're gonna get points. You're gonna get points, and then you're gonna multiply current level by 1. So that's where we get current level. Let's say it's a level 3, we're gonna get 3 skill points back. And we wanna make sure it's not unlocked anymore. We wanna make sure it's on level 0. So you're gonna reset it to locked. It's gonna be locked and it's gonna be on level 0. So that would be the child, reset child. But what else we want to do in reset child? We're gonna get 3 more of reset child, or as many as child you got. If one of your skills may have 5 child, then you have to have 5 of these functions here. As far as I know, I didn't find better way to do it. There is maybe a better way, but for me, I'm just gonna loop over the skill tree. I'm gonna just loop over the different array. So how it's work, we press our skill, it's gonna reset, it's gonna find which tree is it, which branch is it. Okay, it's in branch 1. It's gonna come here, we in reset skill, it's gonna check ID, find it. Okay, this is ID. It's gonna check if it's unlocked. Yeah, it's unlocked. Okay, it's gonna multiply. We're gonna give back all the points. gonna get all the points back. And then gonna set it on 0 and unlock. That's the first skill that you press. Wherever you press, in which point of your skill tree you press to reset the skill tree, everything else gonna get reset to that point. And now it's gonna get the child. Sorry. Okay, 3 times, move it here. And it's gonna loop through each child. So let's say that one skill got 2 child. It's gonna loop through only 2 child, but we connect 3. We have to connect all 3 anyway. We're gonna do it here. It's important you set tag on whatever it is. So on first one you set on tag 1, on second one you set up on tag 2, on the skill tree 2. That's important to do. Because once it's go to reset skill child, it's also got this switch. So if you don't set it, it won't know where to go and it's not gonna do anything. You're just not gonna have skill. You have to do it here same, because it's gonna just loop over and over till it's finished. Till it's complete. Okay, that's why it's important. So another thing is important. Make sure that none of this child is none, because what's happening when you create in skill tree, I'll show you when you create skill tree and you didn't set it up something like name, it will always be none. And if you leave here none and you reset your skill, it will be infinite loop, because there's so many none and we just keep going and it will crash. So it's important you change all of them or change here their names one on another. Okay, so once it's done, we go reset, get a skill points back. So basically it's gonna reset, it's gonna go through the child 1, and then it's go to the child. In child 1, it's checking that child, and if that child, it's not gonna work now. Why? There's some error. Oh, there's error here. Why? Because I didn't set. I must break that. Cannot click it. Okay. No, there's still some. Why? Huh? Oh, okay, because I copied it and let's see. Alright, now it's work. It's all gone, yeah. So you see you got this set, and let's say you wanna reset this skill and you press on this skill and it's gonna change for every child, yeah. You got check for this child, this child, this child. So if you see this child got another child, so it's gonna have to check this child. And it's gonna go till the end, and then there it's finished. The loop will finish, all will be complete. Okay, and one more thing what we wanna do, we're gonna overwrite and we're gonna on mouse double click. So we're gonna define wherever bottom reset our skill tree. You can set it maybe different way. Maybe you can do on no double click, just single click, but I'm gonna do on double click because I'm gonna use the right button as well. I'm gonna get effective button. I'm gonna check equal, make sure it's equal to left mouse button. Once it says I'm doing branch, and then what I want to do, I wanna get skill tree component, and I want to reset skill. And I want to connect with ID. I want to connect with tag. It's now which skill we want to reset, which tag, from which branch. And also we're gonna reset the button, and that's gonna be handle, and that should all work. So once we play, we add, yeah, and I'm use all the points. Look, I used all the points, and then I'm gonna double click, and it doesn't work. Okay, so the problem was that right button mouse, left button mouse didn't work because obviously it's also unlocked the skill. It's stupid me. Yeah, I thought that if you quickly double click, it doesn't unlock, but it's unlocked. So I use right mouse button, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna test it now. I'll show you it works. So yeah, if you see, okay, we're gonna use all the skills. I'm gonna press, and it's back. You see every 0, 0, 0, yeah? And you see we got 10 points back. So the color doesn't change, because we need to also set it up. That will be in the next video. I'm gonna show you how to reset all the colors. That's completely different thing. You're using different blueprint, everything different, but I'll show you in next video. But I'll show you as well, look, for example, you see, let's unlock, and I wanna reset here. And I reset all of them, but not this one. And I can start from here, because the first one we're pressing, it stay unlocked. And we press here, and you see we cannot level this one up because it stay locked. So all 3 reset and it stay locked. So yeah, that would be, and you see it doesn't reset here because we didn't reset it. The bottom resets because bottom is set inside the widget, but the levels doesn't reset because we haven't set up all the branches. I mean, maybe you did, I didn't. I will do it later on. I just set one branch. But yeah, that will be it for this episode. And I see you in next part. And if you like the video, leave subscription and like video, comment. If you got better suggestion of improvement of the skill tree, something I can do better, always welcome. I'll see you later.